Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You join us here on day one of collection of the vehicles. So we are heading up to Crawley to an undisclosed location to collect these. Unfortunately only one of them run at this time, which is brilliant considering they've stood for 8 to 10 years. So we used the one running vehicle that we had to position the two stricken vehicles close to the low loader so that the transport company could winch them onto the low loader. And this is the first one going on. And then we ran the winch cable underneath the first vehicle. We used the one running vehicle in this video to pull the third vehicle with a tow strop so that they ran parallel onto the trailer. And that's it. That's them all loaded. Quite impressive considering the weight of the vehicles. 3 of them there. And we are now homeward bound, back to Dorset. We followed the vehicles in convoy back to Bovington, and this is us unloading them now. Like I said, as you can see there, we used the second vehicle that did run to pull the third vehicle on, but that's them unloaded and positioned, ready for us to work on them. That's it for day one, guys. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe, and much more content to come.